Good morning.
Good morning. I'm Zona.
I'm Max.
And we are
the Chatterbox Chicks.
Okay.
Today's topic is plastic surgery. Should we or should we not?
No, I'm not. Are you? Are you thinking about it?
No, isn't it about should we or should we not do it?
I just think it's about anything we want to talk about.
All right, that has to do with
First of
plastic
all,
surgery.
Do you know anybody?
Do boobs count?
If you have to go to a plastic surgeon, it's plastic surgery.
I thought
so
it was
they
just-
do boobs,
so it's
they
not-
do butts, they do faces, right? I'm sure
I
they do
know
everything.
I do know some people that have had plastic surgery.
Okay, and what have they had done?
Boobs.
Is it just always boobs? Like only the people that you know, is it always just their breasts?
I think so.
That
I
would
think
be
it
the
was-
most common
most common
thing,
is
I would think.
boobs.
Yeah. Would you ever have like your boobs done?
My husband told me that when I get older, and because my husband loves boobs.
He loves boobs.
He does, and
So-
we might have to edit this whole thing out.
No, we're not going to edit. So
he
he
doesn't
doesn't,
like
he
this.
doesn't want them hanging. He wants them up and tight.
He said when I get older, if I want to have my boobs done, I can get my boobs done.
Well, mine are hanging low. I mean, it's like a National Geographic video for me.
Do your boobs hang low? Do they wobble to and fro? Can you tie them in a knot? Can you tie them in a bow? Can you throw them over your shoulder?
I
like
can
a
throw 'em.
continental
I don't think they would.
rotor?
I don't even know the
Do
song
your
or something.
boobs hang low? Let us know if your boobs hang low. Comment.
Yeah, it'd be interesting how many of our viewers' boobs hang low.
Yeah, that will also
I
let
bet
us know
you
what our
50%.
that will let us know what age group our viewers are.
I bet
too.
you 50%.
I bet there's 50. You think we have a 50-50 chance of the boobs hanging?
No, I bet 50% of our viewers' tits hang low.
Listen, you know what? Plastic surgery is for anyone, right?
Male or female or
So
children.
if you're a man and you have man boobs, you can go and have them done too.
Yes, there is a special name for that. For man boobs. Like it even
They're
if,
not called man boobs.
No, that would be the slang. I can't remember the name of it, but
Breasts?
there are men that even thin men, because obviously men that are heavier obviously can have larger.
Are they called men titties?
Man titties, breasts, man boobs.
What are they called? Why would they be called? Are they called motorboats?
A motorboat, my husband.
Okay, that is TMI.
Well, mine doesn't have
Our
man
viewers
boobs.
don't like that.
Okay,
listen.
No, but there is a medical condition, so that
it's a medical condition.
Yes, I can't remember the name of it. Put it if you know what it is.
That men have breasts.
Yeah, it's not just for heavy guys that because they're fat. There are skinny men that they just have more of a literally a breast, and they choose to have that taken care of.
I got a question.
Oh God.
Do men that have breasts have to go in for an actual mammogram? And if
This is literally what I'm dealing with on a daily basis.
And if so, do they have a man mammogrammer or a female mammogrammer?
Where is the mammogrammer coming in? What is a mammogrammer?
Isn't that the one
It's-
that pushes
It sounds like that song. She's a bad mamma jamma. You're like mammogrammer.
Not the person who puts the boob in the mammogram.
Oh, the tack.
Yeah.
Well, now listen. I do know that men can get breast cancer, even if they
So
don't.
I would think they would have to have a mammogram.
But they don't. They have a ballogram.
They have to put their balls in a machine.
No, I don't think so.
Lift your So
Then they have to
when
lift
you
their-
go for under age 40 who are watching this, let me explain to you what a mammogram is. Which don't do it like that because it's not like that. And if you've never had
It's
it
like
done, you think
taking
you
your
squish it.
breast and
First of all, it's not
squishing it
as
to a
bad as it is.
No. It's not.
I've been thinking for years that it was the most painful, terrible thing in the world, but I have completely been avoiding it. And I finally just went this past year and did it.
Easy peasy.
And I'm just going to tell you, all you do is you walk in a room and they have a machine there. And the
Put it on
woman,
the machine.
And you can see, I have, I have large boobs.
Yes.
So
They're not
if
tiny.
you're going to squish me, it's going to,
It's a
but
lot.
all they do is they I do recommend taking a Xanax beforehand.
Why?
to
You
put
don't
the-
need a Xanax. You don't need a Xanax.
That's
for
just,
this.
it's for relaxation purposes. Make sure that it's okay with your doctor first, though, before you take a Xanax. Don't say my name.
Don't say my name. Max, have
Yes.
you been this morning?
No,
Okay.
no. Yeah, water.
Cheers, by the
Cheers.
way.
Yep. All right. Anyway,
Okay, so she goes in,
they take the boob, like this,
put it up on the plate,
put it on the plate, right?
and
then
they
the
really
plate
get it in there. They get
comes
the side and
if
everything.
you're short like me, you just
Yeah, but it lowers. They lower it.
lowers it down and down.
So it doesn't matter how
you
tall
just
or
sit,
short.
stand really still,
And they
take the
X-ray.
pictures, and then the machine will come back up, and then you do the other one,
Yeah.
and that's it.
Now I got some extra fat, so sometimes they put all that fat in there and they get it.
Oh,
all
and if
in
you
there.
got like a little a freckle or a mole or something, they'll take a little piece of tape and they put it right over it.
Yeah.
If they don't want them to
No,
show
they
that
don't want it to
everything.
look. Yeah.
And there and there. Yep.
Okay, so that is. How did we talk about? Go off of that.
That's
Plastic
nothing to
surgery.
do with that.
And that is another
Oh.
reason why we call it squirreling, because we are. That's what we do.
Yes, we are not on fleek.
Okay,
today.
so we. You and your fleet.
That's your favorite thing.
know.
I always keep using it.
Okay, so we talked about if we know someone.
Yes.
Let's have
Do
it.
you know someone? You haven't told me.
Yes, I know two people.
Well, have they had breasts or something
Breasts,
different?
but now this is another thing. I know a couple people that have had Botox. Actually, I know more
You
than a
told
couple
me
people.
that we were going to do Botox in a different talk.
No, because Botox.
You changed your mind?
Yeah, because
See,
Botox.
she changed her mind
I change it all the
during
time.
the video.
Yes.
Instead of waiting and saying, Max, I've changed my
Because
mind.
you do go to a
All right.
plastic surgeon
I will
to get
never
Botox.
have Botox. Do you know why?
Why?
Well, I want you to tell me if you know the first reason why.
Why you wouldn't? Oh, I think our viewers know why. Because it involves a needle.
Absolutely, that's true. But someone told me something else. Someone told me that Botox has some kind of chemical in it. I think it's arsenic.
It's all chemical.
That-
They're putting, it doesn't even matter what it is. It's just shooting it
it's
in your-
either arsenic or it's something. Maybe it's not arsenic. I don't know. But anyway, I would not want that in me. I don't want
Yeah, I wouldn't either.
I don't want a poison in me.
Now,
And also, I don't know if you guys have seen, but I watch a lot of television and I watch a lot of these like housewife shows.
Oh, gosh, they look
Those are my
ridiculous.
guilty pleasure. As you get older, your face gets uglier if you've had like Botox and plastic surgery.
It's a-
and if I am insulting anyone who's watching my video, I apologize in advance. But I'm just going to tell you, I've seen these celebrities where they have had Botox, and obviously they paid a lot of money for this stuff.
or maybe they've had it
And
so
their
many times.
face is
It's just like some of them. Yeah, you look at them and you know something's been done.
Or like it's terrible. Anyone seen Heather Locklear lately?
No.
Oh my gosh! Wow. Sometimes the lips are really big.
I haven't seen. I didn't. Wow. I haven't
I mean,
heard
I'm
of-
telling
about
you.
her in a long time.
And even the late Elizabeth Taylor.
Did she have Botox?
Elizabeth, she had something, man. Her, she was like, oh my gosh. So I'm telling you, no. I think all natural is the way
Now
to
I
go.
will have an eye lift, and not what you guys think.
And
It's
what's
because
an eye lift?
well, you see my eyelid, it droops, and now my grandmother and my mother had it because it impaired their vision because this lid droops so much, and mine is getting there. So I would probably have that done, and it would be free with my insurance, just because. Like you
Well,
see
what
what
do
I'm
they?
saying?
What are they going to do? They take the skin off?
I don't know what they do. I think they just take a little piece off, and I don't know what they do. I may not even have it. Maybe I'll just let my vision be. And my lift would be because it'd be like a medical thing.
And then
but yeah,
there's like
but I think when they do
nose
like a face,
jobs.
I think when they do like a face look, don't they like
Oh, to
cut
take away
here
the
and then they
nipples.
pull your like whole face back, so everything becomes like tight.
Yeah. And then you have your nose, right? People get nose jobs.
Nose jobs, lips.
Lips. Like,
Well, wait a minute. Would lips be Botox, or do they actually?
no, you get lip, according to housewife shows, you get lip injections.
With like what? Like
It's a needle.
no, but I know. But what's in the injection? Is it like some of your fat to pump it up?
I have no
These ladies don't have any fat. Where do they get the fat from?
Oh, I thought they just inject it.
I don't know. But whose fat is it? I don't know. It's not like I want your fat in my lips.
I thought it was just random fat. And is it fat? Are you putting fat in the
I don't
lip?
know.
I thought you
Let
take
us
fat.
know. Anybody
I thought
have a
you-
lip job out
Don't
there?
you take lip out? Don't you take the fat out of the lip?
But if you want a like
I thought Botox is just adding stuff into you.
it is, but that's what I think they use.
Wait, isn't Botox just putting like
Yes,
giving
but
you like a
what
shot
I
of
understood you
stuff?
saying is that they put something else in your lips. I think lips are just Botox.
Yes.
Yeah, okay,
no,
yeah.
I have no idea. I don't know any of this
and
stuff.
let's see what else. What other kind of other plastic surgeries do they do? Butt. They'll do butt implants.
Oh, to make your butt bigger?
Or if you don't have a butt, to look like you have a butt.
And then for men, they do penile surgery.
Penile implants.
That's the
I
main-
have a question about that though. If a guy has a penile implant, does he still feel? Do you know what I'm saying?
I
Like,
don't know.
is there a rod in there? Like, is
What's
he
a
get
rod? Like a rod?
Yeah,
Like an actual rod?
like
you mean
like
like
a telescope.
Like what kind of a rod?
I don't know.
Like a pole? Like what are you saying goes in there?
something that makes it. I mean, does he pump it up?
Oh, well now you got me wondering about what a pump up is. Is it like an air pump, like a pump thing, like you pump
Or
up a tire?
when you have a penile implant,
Yeah.
is it making it bigger, and then when he gets aroused, it even gets bigger? You see what I'm saying?
I have
Or
no
does it-
idea.
or do they put something in and he's got to pump it up?
I don't know.
Or is it like electric?
Pump. It makes me that song. Pump.
Pump
up the
it up.
jam. Pump the jam. Pump it up. While his feet are jumping.
No, but another question
Okay,
about that is,
listen.
does he have
To
sensitivity?
you guys, basically what we're saying is if you know anyone who has had a penile implant,
please let us know.
comment.
Yeah, I'm dying to know if they have sensation.
I want to know if it's a pump up.
Or how it gets
and
up.
is it a pump?
And would
And
it
does
hurt?
it go up?
Would it hurt? Because you
Does
would think
your-
if you had something inserted in there, you
Does-
wouldn't feel pleasure.
Maybe the wife has to pump it up.
What do you like attached like a hose to it? Boop, 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 boop.
Okay, honey, let's have sex. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, think you're good enough. Let's do it.
How big do you want it? It's like air brakes. Or what if it's electronic or something? Like you're at work
you
or
know-
something and it like
You know that, listen, this has nothing to do with plastic surgery, but I have to tell you that one day we're all going to be robotic.
so there'll be no humans left?
I think if you think about it, think about the way our phones are doing.
So it's all going to be
Everything.
AI, like artificial intelligence.
I feel like we're going that direction.
Boy, that was a really big turn from plastic surgery.
But we'll talk about that another day.
AI.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, any plastic surgery stories you have
Yes.
or any other kind of plastic surgery like procedures that are really wacky or something that we didn't mention?
Yes.
Let us know. We love your
Definitely.
comments.
Comment. Subscribe. And tell your
ring the bell.
friends.
I'm Zona.
I'm Max.
And we are
the Chatterbox Chicks.